In 2080, society is a fusion of humans and robots, living and working side by side. Advanced AI powers cities, industries, and even personal relationships. Many humans have enhanced themselves with robotic implants, blurring the line between man and machine. While this has led to incredible progress, it also raises questions about identity, autonomy, and the future of humanity. In this world, robots are no longer just tools, they are partners, equals, and maybe something even greater. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content.